Before the food, the music, before any single toast is raised at an Igbo event, there is Kolanut. In Igbo tradition, the Kolanut isn't just a snack, it's a symbol. The Igbo people say, Onye wetara oji wetara ndụ. Literally. It's the first thing you offer to a guest because hospitality is at the core of who the people are. The way it is broken, how many lobes you find, who has the honor of breaking it, and even how it is distributed after breaking, all of these carry meaning for the Kolanut. In this video, we'll focus on how many lobes a Kolanut could have and the significances thereof. Now, if a Kolanut has 1 or 2 lobes, some say it's a taboo, but it's really not. It's not exactly celebrated either, e.g. why it's not used for the Oji rites. Basically, that's the abandoned child of the family, to be consumed quietly without any prayers, pomp, or celebration. That said, it's not often you find a single or 2-lobed Kolanut. So if you ever attend an event and see one, you did not hear it from me, but take cover. The other second group is when you break Kolanut and see 3 lobes, 4, 5, 6, or even 7. Now we're on the freeway of blessings with many lanes, extra lanes. Igbo historians have several meanings attached to each of them, but I don't really know if this is the video or if you're here for that level of Kolanut depth. Okay? If you are, type depth in the comments, and if we get 10, I'll do another video with a full breakdown of what each number means. Now, did you know that breaking the Kolanut is different from the ceremonial blessing of the Kolanut? You're probably thinking what I'm thinking. Yeah, all this for one Kolanut, one event. Yeah, so it's very serious something, and we can discuss that in the next video. If you like this, I want us to delve into any cultural practices, not just Igbo practices that you've seen at events. Let us know in the comments. If I haven't MC'd or personally experienced one, I'll find out about it and share what I find. I'm MC Chisom, your premium MC, because I learn your story and I tell it right per event.
Mic check 1 2.